How to stop auto download on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you know, WhatsApp automatically downloads the photos sent to you on WhatsApp by other people. So in order to stop it, what you're simply gonna do is first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your device. Now after that, in the top right corner you can see a three dot option. Click on it, then go to settings. After After you have gone to setting, what you're going to do is scroll a bit down, then go to the option which says storage and data, then scroll down, and over here you can see the option which says media auto download, and under there you can see three options: while using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi, and when roaming. So click on one option, then tap on all the options, then click on OK. Now do this for all three of those. After you've done that, you can see over here no media for all three. Now after you have done this, the photos or videos sent by other people won't be automatically downloaded to your gallery. So this is how you can stop auto download on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.